Hi guys! Hi! Welcome to the stream. I hope you're all having a good day. Hello, hello. Hello everybody. Hi. Hi, hi. How you doing, Rose and Gear, Draug? Hey Doug. Hi, hi. Not going to lie, I scared you a little bit. Oh no. Wow. This is a bit of a different stream. I haven't seen this necessarily done with VWorld before. But it is very exciting. I'm just gonna keep pressing random buttons. Hi, hello, hello. How are you doing today? Uh, today, on MTV Cribs. This is my old house, guys. This is my old place. I'm gonna do a empty house tour today, and show you where I'm moving. But yeah, this is where I was. I'm moving today. Um, but yeah, let's get in. This used to be. This looks pretty cool. Yeah, yeah. This used to be my. Oh, let me fix the lighting real quick. Okay, so this was the living room, the little living area. This is next level. Yeah. So that was the living room. This was like a little kitchenish nook for me. Bathroom. No, under the stairs bathroom here. Over here we have the garage and just a random storage space. We didn't really use this very much. Yeah. I'm glad you guys like this. Here's the garage, so I don't really have the car in here right now because, as I said, I already moved. Go. This is kind of like this one of the spare rooms, like the guest room. Was the guest room. It's pretty good. The shapes of a lot of the houses in this area are pretty odd. Like look at this. But I did have like a closet there and bed and stuff, you know. I'm making this all up on the spot, just so you know. We've got an upstairs. This is two floor house, and I'm also moving into a 2-floor house. Yeah. Um, Then we have a few rooms. Let's do. So this was upstairs bathroom. You know, we shared a bathroom. There's one upstairs and then one downstairs. This was another. This was is a his and hers type. Can go through. Apparently, you can go through. I forgot you could go through. I didn't really explore this house. You can like have two separate areas. So basically, this room, uh, I chose the name for the blonde hair one. This was Amy's room. This is Amy's room. She's my roommate, by the way. And then this was her closet because, I mean, you've seen her pink clothes. Like, come on. She has a lot of clothes. She needs the space. And then this is my room. It's pretty big. I got the bigger room because she wanted the closet, the full-on walk-in closet, you know? Totally her old house. She lived here for years. Totally. But yeah, this was my old house. I don't mind the wallpaper. The wallpaper was more Amy's choice. She really likes pink. She really, really likes pink. But yeah, that's the old house. Let me just get down here. That's the old house. So cool, yeah. It's pretty nice. Oh, I forgot to say, in this world, with my house, my mouth doesn't move. For some reason, it only works. My mouth only moves when I am in the small camera in the corner of the screen. It doesn't work with here. But yeah, this is my neighborhood, you know. And now I'm gonna show you where I moved. I moved right across the road, actually, right here. Pretty close. It was a pretty easy move. We got a sprinkler in this place. It's pretty cool. I can jump over it. I'm not very good at timing this, but I can jump over it. Yeah. Later I can get Amy later. She can show you her room, or you can help her decorate her room, but I'm gonna need your help, okay guys? I'm gonna need your help decorating this place. It's pretty bare, as you can see here, but I'm gonna need your help, alright? So we've got just like this little room here. I'm not quite sure what to do with that yet. And then we have like the living room. I think some couches, maybe one of those Japanese like heat up tables in here would be nice. We got a few options for that. Okay, and then we got upstairs. In here, so this is gonna be Amy's room. I think she wants to put her bed over there. It's a lot smaller. She's not necessarily happy about the fact she doesn't have a walk-in closet this time, but you know, we have to cut corners. Could probably put a rack or something out here if we can find one. And then this is my room. I moved in yesterday, so all I have in here is a bed right now. This is my place, guys. I hope you like it. As I said, I'm gonna need your help to design the place. So I'm definitely gonna need some help with it all. But yeah, let's get on to it. Oh, I hadn't shown you the backyard. Should I show you the backyard yet? Do you guys want to see the backyard now, or after we decorate a little bit? Do you want to see it? I'll show you. I'll show you now. Okay, so let's go out this door first. Kinda connects. So we've got a carport. We don't have a garage this time, but we have this carport to protect it. You can also, you know, put a DJ stand out here, have a little party, birthday parties, whatever. We have little table chairs. Oh yeah, and we have a pool right here. I'm gonna need everybody's help to decorate it a little bit. We got a pool now. That was one of the main selling points, you know. All right, let's get into the decorating. Is this a Sims? No, it is not. This is. I can tell you what it is later. I haven't seen anybody do this on a stream, and I'm like, this would be fun. No, it's a VWorld program. Okay, so this is my finished room. It's got a gaming table right here. With chair. My computer is not there right now because it's still being shipped from across the road. Here is my little table area, which I can sit at, and my bed. This is my roommate Amy, guys. This is my roommate Amy. She's gonna show you through her room. So this is her room. With her bed and her plushie. Oh my god, it's Amy. This is here, let me I'll get her to talk. Hold on. Here. This is my room, guys. My voice is the same. I'm just gonna do the same voice, I don't care. I play the guitar, and then Lisa sings with me. She doesn't know how to play. She used to play piano, but yeah. I just chill on there and watch Netflix. That's pretty much my room. That's like literally all that there is to it. But yeah, I need to do a little more decorating probably. But it's pretty nice, and yeah. Some of it's not properly on the wall. Ignore that. It's game physics, okay? And then we got on here, so you can just like sit on the couch. It's pretty cozy here. This is what I really wanted. This pool is mainly for me, not gonna lie. But I wanted this. So this is my main reason for getting it. It's just I wanna be able to swim, you know. Let me get Lisa back. Okay. I'm back, guys. You don't have to deal with that anymore. I'm sorry, she's a little much sometimes. But yeah, let me just show you around the neighborhood real quick. It's my my daily jog that I totally do IRL too. I don't go very far because there's not a lot in this virtual world. It kind of just ends. But yeah, I just take a little run around the block like this. Pretty nice, getting some fresh electronic air.